What's up guys, I'm gonna show you today how to make a new account on Coinex, so make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss any step. So, first, you're gonna go to the Coinex website, and then you're gonna see a sign up button right here. You're gonna click it. After that, you're gonna put your email address and make up a strong password for security. And then click sign up. So we're gonna click on send code. You're gonna verify that you're a human. And they send you the code. You're gonna go to your Gmail, copy the code, then paste it right here. Then click confirm. Then you're all done.